Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have FH5, online access, and enough credits or wheel spins. Next, open the auto show to check stock. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS appears seldom, so search filters matter. Once done, inspect condition, price, and delivery time. Make a buying decision quickly to avoid a sold-out listing. If the exact car isn't an auto show, move to wheel spins, auction house, or festival playlist steps immediately. Each path increases your odds in different ways. You should then target the auction house with a strategy. Set your max bid, monitor listings, and snipe within the last 2 minutes to avoid bidding wars. Meanwhile, scan the festival playlist and seasonal championships because some seasons rotate Porsche rewards. Prioritize completing those events. Also, farm credits via wheel spins, Forzathon challenges, and PR stunts to accumulate currency. This makes straight purchases possible. Make sure to adjust filters for model year and rarity. That narrows results and saves time. Finish by completing the purchase or winning the auction, then accept the car delivery and verify upgrades or DLC locks so you can drive immediately. If you can't find the 911 GT3 RS, use the auction house to request similar listings or patiently wait for the next festival season when Porsche rotations return. If listings won't update, clear cache and restart the game, relog to your account, and recheck the auto show. This refreshes the marketplace and resolves most missing car issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.